As I'm Asif Ali and I'm watching CGHOW video. Today I created this sparkle effect and I didn't use any specific material for that, just a radial, and I created that sparkle shape within the Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. So if you go to CGHOW YouTube channel and if you go down to my oldest video, these are like 3D Max or Maya. Then real-time VFX I started around here. So I started with Unity. So I have some Unity tutorials. Then from here, this is my first Unreal tutorial and this is material tutorial. So all these tutorials are like from UE4. Some are in Cascade, some are in old version of Niagara, which is almost useless nowadays because lots of things changed in Niagara, even UI. So we will start these to create again in UE5. So because it has some views, like people are watching these tutorials, but they are not understanding what I'm doing because these are older version. So I want them all to create in UE5.1. So I'll start from here. So first is material and this is the same in UE5. So all the nodes in here in this material is same as in UE4 and 5. So I will skip this. Then I have the second, this is sparkles without texture. So although this is also based on material, but I'll do that in Niagara, how you can do that in Niagara. So let's do this sparkles. So what I did in that old tutorial, I'll show you quickly what I did here, and then what you can do in Niagara, I'll show you in my this tutorial. So if I take a material M and a radial, and you can take a radial and you can preview that, you will have this. Then